Happy birthday!
Nuts.
Nats, thank you for being a good friend and always there for us. And thank you for giving us...
Tagalog na lang.
Sige na nga. Salamat ho sa iyong dakilang pagiging kaibigan ho sa aming lahat. Kami po ay masarap pa. Ikaw mo ang ilaw ng aming lahat. Ang Maria Clara ng dito. Kaya please, debo na.
Parang hindi na ako dito. That's the birthday, baby. The birthday, you know, I'm always doing good. Can't be good. To try. Remember that, you know, I love you. I love you so much. You know that.
Yes, bitch.
Thank you, bitch.
Yes, birthday, Nats.
Thank you sa friendship. Thank you kasi mabait ka sa amin. Napakatalino mo. Nakakahan ka namin. Ayun, sana lagi kang mag-iingat. Magpakabuti kang ate kay Nicole at a good daughter to your parents. PM loves you. Ayun.
PM?
I love you. Ingat ka palagi. Ayun.
Love you, Nats. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nat. Happy SOB to you.
And all the other boys try to chase me.
There are animals, so it's the money.
Hey sis, happy birthday! Wow, 18 years old ka na. Sana naman lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Ngayon na magiging future CPAs tayo at binigyan tayo ng chance pa para magkaroon ng magandang buhay. Dapat lagi tayong mag-aaral ng mabuti ha. Tapos syempre, alam ko yung ibang mga secrets mo at yung mga kalandian mo. Pero sige lang, we are happy na kahit ganyan ka, masyado kami blessed. Nagkaroon kami ng isang friend na katulad mo. Again, God bless you. May all your wishes come true, sis. Happy birthday.
Caps, happy 18th birthday! Sana you'll have more birthdays and blessings to come. Sana kahit di na tayo magkaklase, maging close pa rin tayo. Walang iwanan, diba? Sana you are always happy, healthy, and safe. At sana mapatawad mo ako sa mga kasalanan na gawa ko sa iyo. Salamat dahil lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. Mag-aaral ka ng maigi ha. Mag-iingat ka palagi. I love you.
My birthday, Nats. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. And alam mo yung ikaw yung kaibigan ko na kahit hindi ko lang makausap, close na close pa rin. And alam mo na yung mo lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay ko. So hindi naman natin yan sa buhay mo, kaya ka pa rin tayo nakakaibigan. Yes, my birthday, sana masaya ka. And I wish you more birthdays and blessings. Birthday.
Hi, Chad! Happy birthday! Ano ba yan? 18 years old ka na. Wala. Ayun, thank you sa lahat sa pagiging masabing kayo. Lagi kang attention kung kailangan kita. Ayun, sorry sa mga kasalanan ko, hindi na kita masyadong nakakausap. Alam mo naman, kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka lang ako. Kailangan mo. Ayun, happy birthday. I love you.
I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh.